Hello, my dear friends. Welcome to Foetron Academy. My name is Harshwats, and today we are discussing about insert module in Visual Basic Editor. So today I will tell you how to insert module in Visual Basic Editor itself. Now let's move forward and talk about the point to be discussed in this video. In this video I will tell you what is module. After that I will tell you how to insert module in VBA. Now let's move forward and talk about what is module. So the question is, what is module has an answer. In a broad terms, a module is the equivalent of a VBA container. In another word, it is where Excel actually stores the VBA code. For an example, if you think of a port which has a lot of containers, that is ship containers, which has a can also be called as cargo containers. So each container has a goods within it, and those each container are called modules. So I hope you could imagine that and you could easily impart that what is module. Now let's move forward and talk about how to insert module in VBA. Now let's go to the Excel for that. Now we are in Microsoft Excel. So this is our file which has a region, which has the data of a region expense, Jan, Feb, March and total expense. So actually there are two procedures through which you can insert module in your Visual Basic application. Either you can do a macro recording in your Microsoft Excel, like in our case, like I have executed this region expense Jan, Feb, March and total this add headers I have used through a macro recording. Like I will show you this. If I copy it, Control C and bring up a new sheet in a C6, I will Control V, that is paste. Now I just have to put on Control and J. You can see now our macro has been executed because we have done the macro recording. Now if you want to learn about all those things, how I've done the macro recording, how I have added the button for the macro recording, you can go to my previous video and see how all this thing happen. Now we will go into the Visual Basic application. Go to the developer tab. In a developer tab you have a code option. In a code option you just have to click on Visual Basic. When I click on it, you will see there is a Microsoft Visual Basic for application project 1.xlsm file. So just a gentle reminder, this is xlsm file, not xlsx file. This is not a normal template, this is a module, that is a macro template. If you save that file, if you save a macro file, macro enabled file in a normal template, you will lose a function of a macro. But if you save them in xlsm file, you will never lose the function of macro. Now we will get back into our question of this video, how to insert module in VBA. So you can see we already have a one module, because I have told you there are two ways. Either you do the macro recording in your Microsoft Excel, you will see the Microsoft Basic for application already created a module for you. But now you want to insert a new module within the Microsoft Visual Basic for application. Now within this software I want to edit a new module 2, which is a blank module. How can I do that? You just have to go into the insert tab, click on insert tab, you have a module and class module. So what is the difference between module and class module is a long discussion in itself. So if you want to learn more about this module and class module, you can go to my previous video in which I have discussed about 16 essential terms you should know before learning the VBA programming. In that I have given a brief description about module and class module. For now we just need a module. So click on a module. Now you will see a new module has will appear on your screen. So if you click on a full screen here, you will see your Visual Basic and module 2 is here only. So if you want to go into the module 1 in which you have done a encoding and coded using a help or with the help of macro recorder, you will see this. But there are module 2 which you have just inserted using the Microsoft Visual Basic for application is blank. So you just have to go into the insert and just click on a module. You will see a new module will appear on your screen. Again I will click on, you will see third module. If you want to delete any of these modules, just right click on it and click on remove module 3. So it will ask you, do you want to export module 3 before removing it? Just click on no. So you will can delete that module also, and you can create a module also. So with this point, I am going to end this video, and I hope your all queries have been cleared. And if not, kindly write us in comment section and we will surely get back to you. And if this video helped you in any way, kindly drop us a like and don't forget to subscribe our channel for amazing videos in future. Till then, have an amazing and good day.